hit that next target, and I'd mentioned VSTO, Vista Outdoor Corporation, company that consumer cyclical sector, which really manufactures guns and firearms, which was part of the momentum trade that we took. And here we are off the secondary benefit of the doubt secondary trend line, plenty of continuous reactionary lows off the summer of 2020 and November-December lows. We've effectively took that, put in the sell signal too, and I'd mentioned in my previous video on a snap of this beautiful symmetric triangle pattern off the 2020 December gap would provide an objective short trade entry, if not dollar cost average. Get out of your longs here. And so far this has been good for a 18.30% drop here, and down big today, 5.5% in one day. We put in a sell signal, snapped that, didn't even have a reaction off these 3021, not even really a 3112 price support, nor the 3021 price support. Kind of burned right through. We may have back tested it briefly off that 3112 and just sank below lower and effectively closed lower today. Now may be the time to really raise some of those trailing stops, because we could have some more downside here. Maybe a snapback or counter trend rally back to that 3021 price resistance now could provide another big move to the downside for another 8% drop, 8.6% drop down to that 2704 price support, which is really one of the bigger levels I'd say we need to take out if you're setting this from trailing stops, because we've got some pretty big air pockets here. Again, volume price indicator really jacked to the floor up in that price range with a huge gap in between here within this price range. So I believe if 2704 gets taken out, you're going to see a whole lot of people really who are underwater, trapped long up here, and I would suspect pretty heavy selling on a backfill the gap of January 2021 there. Would be that next target, but we'll see what happens. I would suggest setting up some trading stops, make it a free trade. If not, there's nothing wrong with ever taking profit when the risk versus the reward ratio was skewed to your side and was in your favor. So completely, everybody has a different risk profile and their strategy. So, but again, here we go. The zero key levels to watch for. I mean, if we did have any sort of reaction at all, maybe we'd get a reaction here among that 28.28. So I'll probably add this right here, 28.28 price support, in case you want to collect some more profit there. That's where I'd suspect the next move, minor support here at 28.28 price support, and that's just barely a hairline, another almost 3%. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you updated if I see any more significance on this on these charts here. But again, huge crackdown belows, very extreme oversold conditions on the RSI here, and we've had a beautiful breakdown sell signal, especially a crackdown below the MACD and oscillator down below their zero lanes. But everything was just building for this huge divergences, negative divergences that really started establishing construct themselves all the way going back to the beginning of January 2021, and it's been nothing but a big sell-off since. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you updated if I see any more significance. Hit that like, subscribe button if you enjoyed the video on your way out.